Dear students and friends, today's topic is food security of our country. That is 10th chapter from 10th class social studies. It talks about food security of our country. What is meant by food security? Food security means the people who are living in our country are secured, or they should be provided with the food which is the basic need by the government. Our government should make sure that the people living in our country are secure with food, because it is the basic need. Without food they are unable to survive. If you think about the independence, before independence, because of the misadministration of British rulers, millions of people were died of hunger in our country. Ganjam famine, Bengal famine, where lakhs of people were died. But after independence, when we set up our government, India set up our own government, we started with Green Revolution. The government has initiated many activities under Green Revolution to increase the food production. How can we ensure that all people living in our country are secure with food, or are able to get food? There are two things to be done in regard to food security. First one is, in order to provide food for all, we need to increase the food production, is the first one. And the second one is, the increased food production has to be provided for the poor and needy people, because the rich people anyhow they will get it, they have purchasing power, they have money. Whereas the poor people should be provided with the food which the production which is got increased. That means not only increasing the food production, how to make it available for the needy people. These two topics are very important, essential subtopics under the lesson food security. Let us see how can we increase the food production. There are many methods to increase the food production, like pesticides, fertilizers, irrigation, hybrid seeds, mechanized agriculture, extensive and commercial agriculture. Introduce many innovative ideas to increase the food production. That is one of the thing which we have to do to increase the food production. Food production can be increased by increasing the land area under cultivation, or else from the available land we have to increase the food production. Increasing the land area is not possible, because maximum cultivable land has been brought under cultivation. Hence that option is not possible. The only possible option is, from the available land we have to produce more. Then once the food production is got increased, how government distribute it to the poor people? For example, government has an effective PDS system, through which the government supplies the cereals like wheat and rice to the poor and needy people. They are provided with the ration cards, and they are given ration for every month in a fixed quota to be given to the people at a subsidized price. Another method is, we are providing midday meals for the schools. That is also a government initiative to ensure that every child is getting sufficient food to eat. In Anganwadis, government is providing food. Hospitals, they are providing food. These are the different ways by which the government makes sure that the people living in our country are secure with food. In Anganwadis, in schools, and for the entire public through the PDS system. In this way, FCI, Food Corporation of India, collects the grain and distribute the grains through PDS shops, public distribution system. And furthermore, what are the other topics which comes under this lesson will be discussed in the upcoming lesson. Thank you very much.